I started focusing.
This is currently the state of bedroom number 3. I have the linens washed. I need to put the blanket in the dryer. I made the bed already. This bed is already made. That's the throw blanket for this bed, along with the extra little throw pillows for this bed. Let's go get the blanket. Wait, I have to put the blanket in the dryer. Let's go put the blanket in the dryer. I've had a busy morning, so it's currently 1:44. I'm going to take a break and eat my lunch that I planned on eating. My leftovers from Wingstop, of course.
Of marketing that digital product off, and I literally kept testing Pinterest.
So I'm at the Airbnb. We have a new game machine that I'm going to add to the dining room. We currently have the Giant Connect, I guess. Connect 6. We have the Giant Connect 6 already in here. And I'm just going to finish setting up the game machine. I had to break it down to bring it in here because the door was not wide enough for this top piece. So I have to put it back together really quick so that y'all can see the full, what did they say, je ne sais quoi of it all. Was that the right word? I don't know. This one goes this way. Now that I'm sitting here looking at it, these cup holders aren't even plugged up. Why do the cup holders have... I'm gonna keep playing with this and see if I can figure out why do all of these have these little plug-in pieces on it. Why do you need to plug the cup holder in, I wonder? Okay, before I got interrupted, I have it fully set up. This is what it looks like. I have it on, and you can choose whichever game that you want to play. These are all of the games that are on here. Lots and lots of games, and there's 2 players. This is player 1, and this is player 2. The cup holders are supposed to glow, but I couldn't get it hooked up for whatever reason. I couldn't get the cord to go through the holes that they provided. So this is what we have. The cup holders don't light up, but it's still cute, it's still functional, and it still works. Let me show y'all the rest of the room. We just have it in the dining area, so we still have the dining table in the middle of the room. I moved the little seating area over by the door. I might move the plant over on this side. I don't know yet. I'll figure that out. Over here, we have the Giant Connect 6. Honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I don't even remember how this game is played. Do you go straight up and down, or do you go side to side, or can you do any of those? Let me know. Let me turn this off. It has a little switch and it just turns off. And I don't think I'm gonna come out and work tomorrow because it's supposed to be rainy again like it is today, and I hate rainy days. And my boyfriend's gonna be off work tomorrow, so I might just hang out with him. He wants to hang out with me, so I'm gonna hang out with my man, okay? Let's shut everything down. Did I show y'all my makeup? I did this little simple makeup look. It's just basically concealer and some blush. And I did my eyebrows and some eyeliner. Did I do eyeshadow? I don't know, I might have did eyeshadow. It's 2:30, I need to go film some more footage at the office for my TikTok video for tomorrow. And I need to get some more footage for a few other pieces of content for not next week. I have all of next week's content scheduled. I need the week after to start working on. So when Thanksgiving comes around, I don't really have to worry about missing those couple of days of work, you know, because I think we're going to go out of town for Thanksgiving. I don't know just yet. Maybe. We'll see. Let's pack it up and head to the office. I guess I should take a minute to update y'all since I'm here at the office. I just finished filming a couple more pieces of content, and I have them up and scheduled to be posted throughout next week. So next week when I come in, I'll be working on 2 weeks from now's content. So I have everything for Thanksgiving week scheduled. Now I need to work on the week after. I guess that's really all I needed to update you guys on. I have all of my notes done for today. Oh, I can show you guys before I end off today. I can show you guys my mom's wreaths that she's been working on, and they are all available on my website, shopdaisy.com. You can click the link in the description box and check out all of these Christmas wreaths that you've seen in my content. They're all made by my mom. If you want to support me and support my mom and my mom's crafty side, check us out. This is the Grinch themed one she just finished making. I need to take some pictures of it and list it on the website, and we will see what kind of bites we get on it. Get into the details. Let's take some product photos really quick. I need to go outside and take pictures of it in use, of course. Now that I have enough footage to make a video for the product listing and for social media, I'm also going to edit the photos and all of that when I get to the house. So I will see you guys later.
Been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call.